Thank you, Ed. Awesome job. Next up, we have Andrew Richards presenting his application, Minerva.
All right, how's it going, everybody? Okay, let me pull up my screen here. Thank you all for coming out. So my application is called Minerva. It's based on the idea that I believe anyone can learn pretty much anything if given the correct resources. And there's a ton of resources on the internet, but there's no great way of curating and bringing those resources together. So that's where my app comes in. So what it is, Minerva is a self-education platform that's designed to give users the ability to curate and engage with curriculums, which are collections of videos, blogs, and other resources that have helped them learn a particular subject. My app is created with React on the front end, with Redux for state management, Ruby on Rails backend, and I use the Quill API for rich text editing and the YouTube API. All of my styling and any animations and components are all my own. All right, so let's jump into the home page here. So you can see that there's trending curriculums. You can scroll through here, or you can check out some guides on how to use the app. But let's just say my brother wants to learn a new skill now that he's home all the time. So he can click on the Explore Curriculums button here, or he can click on the icon, the rocket ship icon, to go to the Explore page. Once at the Explore page, he can search by tag. So he can click on these tags here, or he can type in whatever he wants. Internet's taking a second here. Okay. You can search mixed strengths. But let's just say he's interested in baking pies. So he can click on the baking pies curriculum, and it'll bring him to the baking pies page. So what this is it's the preview for the curriculum. On the right side, you see some of the lessons, which are, you got a couple of YouTube videos here, a blog, and if he's interested in this lesson, he can engage with it by subscribing to it. So he can click here, and it will tell him he can view his notebook. So he can click here, or he can go to his notebook section. And essentially what a notebook is, you can have a blank notebook where you take notes just for yourself, or you could take notes on YouTube videos. So let's take a look. You can look at his previous notebooks that he already created, or we could take a look at those subscribed curriculums. This is the Baking Pies curriculum that we just subscribed to. And from here, you have those 5 different lessons. He can click here to create a new notebook. It'll say name your notebook, so we can call this first lesson. And then he can create the notebook. Once the notebook's created, he can click right here, and that will bring him to this new notebook. On the left side, you'll see the YouTube video that's associated with this lesson. On the right side, you'll see the notes panel, and down here, he can now take notes on the video. So I'll just demonstrate that now. So as the video plays, he can take notes on the video. So he could say mix the ingredients. Then he can press create here, and that will create the note on the right side here. It will also create a little tag on the video. And I'll just do another one to demonstrate. You type in roll out the dough, click create. And now if he wants to go back to that original position on the video, he can click here. And as you see, it's gone back to that specific position. Let's say another user, so my mom, she's a great artist. If she wants to create her own curriculum, she can come into the curriculum creator. And from here, she could start making her learn to draw curriculum. So this is going to consist of a number of videos, that she found from the internet that helped her learn how to draw. She can put any tags that she wants. And then she can bring in a picture, any picture she wants, drop it in here, and create that curriculum. And now I'll quickly make a curriculum for a video that she found about shading basic forms. She can bring in a YouTube URL here, and it will pull from the YouTube API some information and a picture. And then she could put a description in, create that lesson. Now, just for the sake of time, I'll just show you what that curriculum might look like when she's done. Okay. Okay. That's not it. This is the one I just made, but let me get to the one I made before for the demo. And Alicia, while this loads, I can take any questions.
Sure, I think we can squeeze in one question. We have a question from Kevin. How are you filtering what's trending, and is the site responsive?
The trending is based on how many subscribers are on that particular curriculum. And is the site responsive? I think what you're asking is, does the site kind of update based on what's happening on the back end? And in that case, yes, so everything is being pulled from the back end as you move around through the site.
Great, thank you.